Hi everyone. Hope you are having a great day. Today I bought RF Pacisti with steampunk skin, and I will be trying it for the first time in one deathmatch and tandem.
Starboard turn. All posts prepare for battle. Launch detected. 10 seconds. Radar post reporting. Group target. Bearing 270. All posts prepare for battle. Heat ready. Contact surface targets detected. Engine standby. Missile tram ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Launch landing missiles. We're prepared for shadow launch. Rocket launcher looking for target. Stop the engine. We are severely damaged. Captain has the con. All hands on deck. We've intercepted enemy missile. Enemy attack spotted. Enemy warship satellite detection. Search 350. Looking interactive aircraft. We are flying below water line. Captain has the con. All hands on deck. Initiating damage control. Enemy helicopter down. We are severely damaged. Hold break. We're taking on water quickly. Roger, launcher looking for target. Missile is hit. No sign of enemy activity. Enemy warships destroyed. Good job. Battle stations gun action. Deck gun standby. Standby rocket launcher. Deny enemy advantage of access to electromagnetic spectrum. Heading 050. Half ahead. Anti-submarine rocket launcher standby. Point right. Helicopter is ready for recon. Waiting for combat mission. Helicopter ready for orders. Battle stations gun action. Deck gun standby. All engines full stop. Stop the engines. Launch reporting. Attack from enemy warships. We are flooding below waterline. Torpedo noise bearing 240. Prepare to destroy incoming torpedo. Fire line. Heat traps ready. New contact, Captain. Detecting auxiliary noises overhead. Gunners are ready to open fire. The missile is away. extinguisher confirmed. Missile silos transfer target package Alpha Bravo 22. Go ahead. I have a visual on enemy ship. Target extinguisher confirmed. Missile silos transfer target package Alpha Bravo 22. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Battle station gun action. Deck gun standby. Rocket launcher stand up. Torpedoes in the water. Distance 470 and cruising. Fire arm. Take course 160. Half speed ahead. Missiles are fuel and ready to... Prepare gun for firing heading 220. Radar found a missile heading towards us. Missile silo 1 reporting. Missile away. Gunnery officer ready. Stand by rocket launcher. Launch reporting. Attack from enemy warships. Full speed ahead. Initiate damage control. The target has been locked. Prepare gun for firing heading 220. Launch on enemy missile. We're prepared for channel launch. Eyes on enemy contact.
Enemy missile has been destroyed. Hold breach. We're taking on water quickly.
Prepare gun for firing heading 220. Radar found a missile heading towards us. Torpedo noise bearing 240. Prepare to destroy incoming torpedo. Ahead 15 knots. Torpedoes in the water. Distance 470 and cruising. Mission accomplished. Getting back to the dock.
Thanks for watching.